Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your science teacher Aisha Javed from the Trust School. Today we will do page number 30 of summer pack and topic mentioned on it is states of matter. First of all, we will discuss a little about states of matter to clear our concepts. Now read the statement mentioned on page number 30. The statement is: show the process of melting a solid into liquid with the help of an experiment using a candle in assistance of your mother. Light up the candle, observe it, and discuss below what is happening. Also draw a picture. So let us clear our concepts first of all in order to understand this process. Matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up the space or volume. Mass. What is mass? Mass is amount of stuff or material an object contain, and volume is the space occupied by the object. As you people have read in 4 class that all the matter is made up of extremely tiny invisible particles called atoms. Now coming to the states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Let us discuss them one by one. Solids. Atoms of solids are tightly packed with each other. They vibrate about their central positions. Vibrate means shaking movement just as the alarm of the clock vibrate. The atoms don't move away from one place to another. The atoms of the solids have fixed or definite shape. Definite means fixed. They have definite volume as well. Now coming to the second state of matter, that is liquids. The atoms of the liquids are very close to each other. They can move towards or away from each other, thus the liquid can flow. They have no fixed shape. Liquids can acquire the shape of the container in which they are kept. If the liquid is kept in the glass, they will acquire the shape of the glass, and if they are put in the jug, they will acquire the shape of the jug. Liquids have fixed volume. Now coming to the third state of matter, that is gases. The atoms of the gas are very far away or spread out. Atoms of gas can move freely. They have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. If the gas is filled in deodorant bottle, it takes the shape of that container. If it is released in the room, it will take the shape of that room. Now coming to the processes involved in changing the states of matter. There are many processes that are involved in changing the one state of matter to another state of matter. Let us discuss them one by one. The first process is melting. It's a process in which solid changes into liquid upon heating. Second process is freezing, in which liquid changes to the solid on cooling. Third process is boiling, in which liquid changes to the gas upon heating. Fourth process is evaporation, in which liquid changes to the gas without heating. And the fifth process is condensation, in which gas changes to the liquid upon cooling. As you know that our main concern is with melting process, so let us discuss the melting in detail. Melting is the process in which solid state of matter changes into the liquid state of matter on heating. This process is known as melting. Example of melting is melting of ice. Here we will perform an experiment related to the melting. The experiment is: take a candle and light it. Observe and discuss what is happening. Some of the candle wax melts into its liquid state, that we will call as the process of melting. The molten wax moves away from the flame and solidifies back into its original solid state. This we will call as the process of freezing. Now coming to explanation of the effects of melting or observation of melting. When we light a candle, that is a solid, its atoms start moving faster due to the energy of heat. The spaces between the atoms are increased now due to more motion of the atoms. The force of attraction between the atom is decreased now because the atoms will move away from each other. So the atoms will move away from each other. As you know that atoms of the liquids are away from each other. In this way, solid is converted into liquid, that is the process of melting. I hope that this process is clear to you. Thank you so much.